Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome all the art lovers and subscribers and people who follow me. This video is made with a very heavy heart and cannot play a very jestful role over here, but I'm just trying to play my role to show solidarity to the people of Palestine and Gaza, and may Allah help them all in this difficult time. My artwork is not to show any artistic skills, anything for the subscriptions or for any kind of marketing stuff. This is just to show them that we are with them. Although we cannot do much, but we can condemn whatever is happening in this part of the world, in Palestine and Gaza. This artwork is a tribute to the people of Gaza and Palestine who are facing so much difficulty and so much war and so much injustice. They are facing, they and their children, their daughters, their mothers and wives and sisters and brothers, all are facing so much difficulty these days. And there are so many questions in the mind of people living outside this territory, but this is just to show them that we are standing with them. We are standing with them, with the people of Gaza, with the people of Palestine, and we pray for them, and we all pray for them. May Allah help them all. May Allah give them success, and may Allah give them strength to conquer the big battle in front of them. Ameen. And we pray that may Allah give all the Muslim countries unity and power to conquer this battle, and may Allah give unity to the Muslim world, and may Allah bring us close and think about each other, and may Allah give us strength to think the problem of one Muslim nation is the problem of all the Muslim nation. May Allah give us this kind of thinking. Ameen. May Allah help us all Muslim countries to get united and to fight for a common cause. Ameen.